This screencast is a Excel file detailing the column we require for the debit run. Some of them are mandatory and some of them are not. You can download this file from our downloads page. The first column that is mandatory is the client's customer reference. This is your unique identifier of your particular customer that you want to debit. The client transaction reference is not mandatory, but you may want to pass it from an accounting package that you may have that tracks transactions. The next column is the MSISDN, which is the person's cell number for SMS notification prior to a debit. Next is the person's email notify. Here we can notify them by email. The identity number, which is the person's ID number, is mandatory, but person's first and last name are not. The banking information is also required for us to actually process the payment. The branch code, the account number, the account type, and the account holder. The following columns are also required. These are detail the kind of debits that you want to do, from the actual debit date to the debit amount to any once-off amounts. What you'll see is an important field is the debit installment start date, is when the debit is about to commence, followed by the debit installment amount, which is the amount that will be debited every month, to the actual installment month day, which is the debit day, the 1st, 7th, 5th, 25th. The debit once-off amount is maybe a registration fee that you want a once-off amount to go through, and a once-off date. So you can debit variable amounts, and the product name as seen in the dashboard. That concludes the screencast. Thank you.